Today I will be restoring this iPhone 7 Plus that had a cracked screen and a severely scratched and bent housing to a product red mint iPhone 7 Plus. I'll start by removing the battery connector and a test screen I had on there and transfer some parts over to the new housing. I remove all screws, covers and grounding clips to take out the logic board. After removing the battery, I can stick down the button assembly in the new housing and put the board into it. I had to remove the board a couple times as I put a screw in before the board by mistake, but after a while it was installed properly. Next I installed the Taptic engine. I take the screen out of the box and I find the ear speaker and front camera assembly that was originally in the iPhone to keep the true tone feature, which I'm not sure if the 7 Plus actually has it, but it's better to keep it original anyway, and I used the original metal plate and installed both onto the new screen along with the home button. I transfer over the last few screws and continue installing the ear speaker into the phone, and then I test the device. Here I test out the phone and notice that the battery health, while it's at 100%, it does say it's requiring service, so I decide not to install the battery adhesive as I'll put in a new battery before selling it to my friend. I install the finishing touches and make some adjustments as the home button didn't work when I tested it, but after putting the flex cables back in properly it worked fine. I take a screw from an old iPhone 6 and put it into the 7 Plus next to the charger port. So this completes the 7 Plus restoration, a fully working 32GB product red iPhone 7 Plus. The parts I needed, including the battery, which I haven't bought yet, will cost around £65, and I've sold the phone to my friend for £180. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more content like this. Thank you.